Welcome back. Well, the equity market is, consolidating. The bias is a little positive, but let's find out what's hot in the world of commodities. We have Manisha joining in. Manisha, what's catching your eye today?
Everything is hot.
Always in commodities.
But gold should be on your screens because, we've seen not just another all-time high in the US dollar terms, but for the Indian markets as well. Well, India was actually trying to catch up since the duty cut of nearly 9% this budget. So there was this huge divergence in the international markets and the Indian prices. But with 75,000 now taken off in the Indian markets on MCX, we are looking at all-time highs for the Indian markets as well. And then it is not just in dollar terms or rupee for that matter, because the gold has hit all-time highs in various other currencies like a Chinese yuan, a Japanese yen, euro as well, and various other currencies in Asian markets also. So the gold run clearly is golden right now. But the US consumer confidence has slipped to the lowest in last 1 year in US, and that clearly led to the last leg of gains in prices. And then apart from that, if you look at the dollar index decline to a 14-month low, that has been supportive as well. If you look at the gold prices for the month of September, we have gained by almost 5%. And if you look at the international markets, well, we have seen the gold prices gain up by 28% in this year until now. There are prospects of less restrictive monetary policy going forward that has been supportive. Also, the elevated geopolitical tensions in Middle East, where more countries perhaps seem to be joining in, is what is leading to safe haven buying in case of gold. And then there is consolidation in gold mining, more mergers and acquisitions happening. That tells you that there is lesser mines and then no more mines coming in for this area, and that has been supportive. Also, when you look at the gold longs that have been constantly on an increase, highest since March 2020, by the way. So the net longs continue to be very bullish in case of gold as well. And then it's not just gold. If you look at the silver prices, we gained up by 5% in the overnight markets. This one is trading at around 4-month highs as well and above $32 an ounce. And that has been the case with overall precious metals. Platinum prices gained up by 3% overnight. Palladium has been up 2% as well. And there is loads of data coming in this week, and that would tell you on where the dollar index would go and how you should be dating at gold as well. So the new home sales data from US comes in on Wednesday. Then you have the weekly jobless claims that comes in on Thursday. And the most important PCE data from US comes in on Friday. That would tell you on how the Fed would react in the coming months as well. So until then, more gains continuing in case of gold there.
Okay, all right, Manisha, thank you very much for that. Well,